Hey there, plant lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Are you looking at your chili plant and feeling a little disheartened? Seeing those leaves droop and fall can be a real worry, I know. But don't despair. There's a simple, effective solution that can bring your struggling chili plant back to life and even help it produce a bountiful harvest. Often, when our chili plants are weak and dropping leaves, it's a sign they're missing a crucial nutrient: calcium. Calcium is vital for strong cell walls, healthy growth, and overall plant resilience. The good news is, it's incredibly easy to replenish. A fantastic way to give your plant that much-needed boost is by using calcium powder. You can find this at most garden centers or even online. Just a small amount, mixed into the soil or dissolved in water for a foliar spray, can make a world of difference. Now, consistency is key. After you've given your plant its initial calcium treatment, continue to provide it with calcium every few days. You'll start to notice a change. Those drooping leaves will perk up, new growth will emerge, and your plant will regain its vibrant health. And the best part? With a strong, healthy plant, it's truly amazing to see the transformation. So, if your chili plant is looking a bit sad, give this calcium treatment a try. You'll soon be rewarded with beautiful, delicious chili peppers.